We're not gonna hit the test button right now because it does work, but I hit the emergency button. It starts testing. This one does not have self-diagnostics. Standard test. Emergency switch. Boom. Now the power is off. Hold on. The emergency lights are remote head capable. Alright. If I do this. Hold on. If I do this. Hold on. If I shut the. Hold on. If I do this. Hold on. If I do this. Makes the exit lettering original. So. Do this. Hold on. I'll try to make the exit lettering original, but it doesn't work. Thank you for watching this video.